Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you don't know who I am Chelsea Ohenewa. So today we are doing something different. We are doing abele walls with a twist. I'm going to make two types: the coconut abele walls and then strawberry abele walls. So I got strawberry puree from work, and then I'm going to use that to make abele walls. Then we'll make the coconut one. So let's start as usual. So we have all our ingredients we are going to need over here. I'm going to make condensed milk with this needle. We have, this is a mixture of strawberry puree and then heavy cream. This is just heavy cream. We have coconut cream, that's for the coconut version of the abele walls. We have vanilla essence. We have butter for the condensed milk I'm about to make. I'm supposed to use baking soda, but I don't have baking soda, so I'm going to use baking powder. That is also for the condensed milk. We have sugar, we have our whisk. I have just one bowl, so I'm going to make the coconut milk one, and then after that I make the strawberry puree one. That's all we need for that, guys.
Get to know me. Sit in solitude, I journal and I blow trees. Meet my own needs, so I know peace. No sacred, so divine. I'm patient.
So for the sugar, you pour till you hear the ancestors telling you that it's good. And it depends on how you like sugar. I like sugar a lot, so I'm gonna keep pouring because I want it to be sweet. Also, our milk is boiling. Our condensed milk is boiling. I'm going to prep the coconut one. It has some water in it. I'm just going to dump that. I don't need it. So my coconut cream is already inside. I'm going to add my heavy cream. Just in this. And I'll mix it. I love sugar, so I'm going to add a little bit of sugar. Then vanilla essence. I'm not measuring anything, like I'm just following the ancestors. But if you want, it depends on how you want the flavor. So I'll taste for sugar. I'm gonna add more sugar to it. So I'm just waiting on the condensed milk to be ready, and then I'll add it to it. Pour it in a bowl, and then that's it for the coconut one. It's pretty easy. So I'm just going to whisk it for it to thicken up. And I don't have a machine for whisking, so I'm going to do manual whisking. So I'm going to add my baking powder. From what I saw on YouTube, you're supposed to use baking soda, but I don't have it. Just a little bit. And then I'm just going to wait for it to be done, for it to thicken up, and then we add it to our coconut puree. So guys, never leave the condensed milk unattended. I just did that about 5 minutes, and then it spilled all over the stove. So never leave it unattended. You have to keep stirring.
So I know peace, no sacred, so divine. Flow, like a lotus. I drink my water, get my sun, visit the ocean. I pour into myself until I'm overflowing. This isn't hoping, it's in the knowing.